I'm Daniel Calabresi. I work at the Omni King Edward Hotel in Toronto.
My name is Shona Chalmers. I am a full-time culinary professor here at Humber College in the culinary programs.
I'm Rob Yu. I'm the executive chef at Yokai Izakaya.
My name is Adam Lafleur. I'm the chef de cuisine at Constantine in Toronto.
So my name is Anthony Marchisello, and I'm currently working now at the Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel in Alberta, working as a lobby front desk manager.
Hi, I'm John Vincent Triano, and I'm the owner and chef of Freely Restaurant.
The awards can lead to higher positions and a new job, but they also give the confidence that you need every day and to keep pushing.
Working within a kitchen is like working with music. It's a great back and forth. You work within a good team.
Michelin Star means a lot, but we're not really accolade driven. We're more guest and ingredient driven. It really solidifies all of our hard work that we put in the last 5 years. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears for sure.
Small things make big impacts. Sourcing locally and using a whole product. If I'm doing it, I have 20 chefs who work with me. Hopefully when they go on and move on in their careers, they carry that forward and they inspire other people. And I think it's one small action can have rippling effects.
You learn a lot about yourself going to Humber, I think. And the faculty there, they really took you under your wing, I felt. And I had a lot of faculty there that I'm still friends with today. I really felt I wasn't just a number, and they really took care of our learning.
Many of our students come into this program thinking that you can only go into hotel and restaurant, and these are the only opportunities in food. We share with them 50 to 100 to hundreds of different pathways you can go into.
Whether you want to get into marketing, you want to get into restaurant management, you want to get into accounting or finance or culinary operations or food processing, it really is an industry that has an endless amount of opportunities.
There was a huge sense of family, and a lot of that is reflected from the professors here. So you are not treated as a student, you are not treated as a number, you are treated as a brother, sister, friend.
I chose Humber because it was the very first time I ever stepped on campus. I felt at home.
What we do in here is differentiated by the instructors we have, the passion we have, and the connections we have, both in the college and outside the college. We put you where you want to be next.
Humber definitely gave me all the tools that I needed to get into the door of any restaurant.
A big part of cooking is having fun. If you're in the kitchen and you're not believing in what you do or loving the food, it shows on the plate. It really does.
My vision for our industry is a psychologically safe workplace and also a place where people don't have to think about their health and their finances.
Keep learning and keep doing. I am a lifetime learner, and I think anyone that grows and knows in this industry knows that you never know everything that there is in this industry.
I'm very prideful that I graduated from Humber. They didn't really beat around the bush in terms of what the real world was like. Things take time, and it takes time to hone your craft and your skills and continue learning. That's something I wouldn't have probably learned anywhere else.
That's a wrap.
Yeah, okay, let's go.